Ever wondered what really happens when you click a button on a website or app? That click sends a message called a request to a server somewhere on the internet. The backend server receives that request, it checks what you asked for, like logging you in, saving your info or fetching data. If it needs data, it talks to a database, kind of like a digital filing cabinet, to find what it needs. Then it sends a response back to your screen, either success or error, and your app updates accordingly. So every click is like starting a conversation between your screen, the server, and the database behind the scene. Want to know what happens when you log in? Drop a comment in the comment section.